Hi Kirti, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel Speech Express. So you are new to my channel.
Hi,
So can
sir.
you please just go ahead and introduce yourself so that my subscribers can know about you?
Yeah, definitely, sir. My name is Kirti. I live in Bangalore. I am a homemaker as well as a mother of one kid. If I would talk about my hobbies, so I have also plethora of hobbies. But nowadays, I am learning this language, so this is add-on in my hobby, and I am simultaneously I am pursuing my MBA also, and I have running my YouTube channel also. So I created my channel for learning purpose only.
That's great.
So
Simultaneously, you are doing many
it's
things.
about.
All right, great.
Could you also introduce yourself, sir?
Yeah, definitely Kirti. Well, my name is Digambar S. Chaudhary and I'm from Delhi. And I have completed my master's in Television Mass Communication from Jamia Millia Islamia in 2011. Since then, I have been in the field of training. So I have been training youngsters with soft skills and employability skills. So past 13 years, I have been doing this, and I go to different universities and institutions to train those students and to participate in the CRT program, which is called Campus Recruitment Training. So this is what I have been doing, and I have been associated with multiple organizations. Like I'm a certified soft skill trainer for NIT Limited, wherein I deal with one of the parties product, which is called CSCC at Pan India level. Apart from this, I am
Yeah,
also a
it's
certified soft skill trainer for Nandi Foundation, which is being sponsored by Mahindra and Mahindra. So again, I do campus recruitment training for this particular organization by going to different universities. Basically, I'm from Delhi, and I do run my center over here in Gurugram for public speaking, communication classes, and all. So,
so
okay, so Kirti, well, as you mentioned in your introduction round that you are a homemaker and you are pursuing your MBA. So this is in your hobby, like you are just learning this language, English. So how has been your journey so far learning this new language?
yeah, my journey is a little bit ups and down because I have also faced so many difficulties while speaking. So that time I was also fumble and my mind went blank. But yeah, I was consistent about that and I was practicing every day. So I overcome that thing also. So that's and now still I am working on that because it is not a one night journey, a overnight journey. So I have to work on that. I have to be consistent about that.
So since how long you have been learning this language?
I have been starting my journey 6 months ago.
6 months. Okay. And prior to that, you did not even have the basic understanding of this language. I mean, how good you were in grammar? If we talk about the grammar part of this language, how good you were earlier before you start your journey?
Yeah, it is good actually, sir. When I was studying, so that time I learned everything, but I didn't know how to speak in front of people because always I had a fear in inside for me. Means whenever I connected with people, so they laughed on me, they judged on me. So that is the reason I was not speaking well, and always I try to translate in my mind. But now because I am consistent about that and I am practicing every day, so I overcome that thing.
Nice. So, did you take any help of any particular institution or something like that, or any trainer or any tutor in order to improve your language?
No, sir, I am in WhatsApp community where all housewife they are learning this language. So I am practicing with them, and yeah, I have created my channel, so I am consistent on my channel also because every day I try to connect with people. So in that way I am trying to improve.
Fantastic. What is the name of the channel? Kirti? What is the name of the
Learn
channel?
English with Kirti.
Learn English with Kirti.
Learn English with Kirti.
Okay, so we will connect once again,
Yeah.
record a video for your channel as well on a particular topic of your interest as per your requirement of your channel. Kirti,
Yeah.
my next question for you is
Yeah,
like,
sir, definitely.
how helpful is YouTube for you these days, like learning this language? Because we see nowadays so many podcasts are available, readily available, right? And YouTube is one of the important source of
Yes, sir.
information nowadays, which we can take help because many YouTubers are there and they are uploading their videos and all. English conversation and all. So how this is helpful for you in your journey? Can you throw light on this?
Yeah, sir. It is very helpful for me because yes, sir, definitely. I would say that means it is very helpful for me because every day I try to listen to YouTuber. They are conversing their means they are making conversation videos. So I it is helpful for me and yeah and because in that way we are getting so many content and in that way we are learning also. So it is a very helpful because I will not go outside and I will sit at home only and I will learn this language easily because everything is available on YouTube.
You take help from ChatGPT as well, because ChatGPT is also one of the source of this information,
Yeah.
and
So
we people are
it
using it for better information. ChatGPT. How helpful is ChatGPT for you?
yes, sir. Yeah, sometimes whenever I get time, so I try to use ChatGPT because it's helped me where I am making mistakes, so it's correct me. So that's why I am using ChatGPT also.
So, do you provide home tuitions as well? Like, do you teach kids?
No, I am not teaching because I am pursuing my MBA, so I don't have a time, and I have also kids, so I have to give time for her also. So that is the reason. In future, I will see that.
So, do you have any experience of doing job, or you have not yet started?
Yeah, actually, when I got married, so I came in Bangalore. So that time I was working in a company as a data operator. So I was managing data and I was sending emails. So that kind of work I was doing. And after that, because I got pregnant, so after having my baby, so I got means I was not doing job that time. I quit my job. Then I have started my career as a teacher in pre-primary school.
Okay, so how long did you teach there in primary school? Kirti, how long did you teach in
It's been
primary
one
school?
year I was working because 1 year I was teaching, sir, because some health issues has came, so I quit that job also. So then I realized that no, I have to work on my communication skill because it is a very essential. If I go outside and if I join any teaching job, yeah, any job, so it is better to work on my communication skill because nowadays it is a very indispensable for everyone.
It is, as you mentioned, that 1 year of teaching experience you have. You work as a primary teacher, right, in a school. So, how was
Yes.
that experience? Can you please throw a bit light on that? Like, what were the challenges you were facing at that time and interacting with the kids and all? And up to which standard you used to teach that?
Sir, I was teaching a pre-primary school, so that was only nursery, LKG, and UKG. So I think that time I also faced so many challenges because I was afraid to connect with parents actually because my communication was not good. So that is the reason uh, I had cold feet to connect with parents. So that time I didn't connect more to people and but I was struggling in teaching also because here every kids speak in English. So I was not more fluent about that. Always I try to use translate in my mind and then I have to speak. So that time I realized that no, I have to better to work on my communication skill because it is a very important. Because I was not speaking well, so that time I felt I was not serving the kids very well. So that is the reason I am working on my communication skill actually.
Nice. Kirti, like, which is your hometown? Like, and when did you shift to
My
Bangalore?
hometown is, yeah, it's been 10 years, sir.
10 years you have been there in Bangalore, right? And which is your hometown?
Yes, yes. My hometown is Bihar.
Which district of Bihar you are from?
I am from Patna.
Patna. Okay, that's a very famous place. And Khan sir is there. He is running a coaching institute there
Yes,
in
sir.
Patna, and another one is Super 30. Super 30 for IITG, right? That coaching is also
Yes,
there.
sir.
Mr. Anand, Anand is running that.
Yes, sir.
Very famous place. Okay, nice. So, how has been your, life there in Bangalore for past 10 years? I mean, any particular challenges or anything new which you have noticed, or anything which you have encountered so far, or something you want to share?
Yes, sir. I was facing so many challenges because of only communication. Whenever I went out, yeah, whenever I went to mall, yeah, any hospital, so that time I faced so many challenges. That time I was not articulate my thought in front of other people. So always my husband talked with the doctor. Yeah, always. Yeah, anywhere I will go, so my all husband always talk with them. So that time I felt very bad, and so I realized that no, it is a high time to work on my communication skill, because now I have a baby. Every time I will not procrastinate. So here, if you go in the grocery shop also, so here people speak in only English. So many challenges I faced. So then I realized no, that time actually I was working to improve my communication skills, but that time I was not speaking, just I was reading, I was listening new channel. So it's never worked on me actually.
Okay. So, how's your YouTube channel growing? What is the current status for the YouTube channel?
Now I got 560 subscribers.
Nice. And how many videos you have uploaded so far on your channel?
I think 150 videos.
Okay, Kirti. So I'm done with my questions. So do you have any question for me so that I can answer a question right now?
So you are also teaching to students, and you are also giving advice and all for interviews. So what kind of advice you are giving? Because I am also thinking to give an interview. So what should we be? What should I work on whenever I go for interview?
Very nice question. Very intelligent question, Kirti. Let me answer this very quickly. Kirti, we have to work upon our communication skills. Communication skills are very important to survive in today's world, because in this competitive era of today, without having good communication skills, we cannot survive, right? So, as you remember,
Yes.
like there is a quote, very good quote in Sanskrit, like Yesamna Vidyana Tatuna Dhanam Jnanam Nasilam Purona Dharmi Devratanoki Bhubharvita Nusruti. That means the person who does not have any knowledge, who does not have any kind of like skills, right? How to present in the public, then that person is living
Yes.
their life like an animal. And we all, me and you and everyone, do not want to live life like the animals, right? Because we have our brain, we have our mind. So why not we can utilize this? So we should utilize that and
Yes.
upgrading our skills. So every time we have to be a lifelong learner. Okay, whatever we have learned so far, that is just like I can say gather. Okay, very small, very handful knowledge which we have gained so far. But something which we have not gained so far, that is like an ocean. So we have to be a lifelong learner.
Yes.
Okay, and once again, I would like to say one important thing, which is consistency. Try to take your initiatives, try to make your efforts, okay, with consistency, because consistency is the key of success. If you are consistent enough in making your efforts, definitely you are going to win the battle, and definitely things are going to be
Yes.
your way. Okay, and that's what you have to do. Work on your communication skills, and obviously try to be a lifelong learner. Okay, and try to increase your contact list with the people who speak really good English, and try to be a bit interactive, and that's the only key of success.
Yes.
Yeah, that is my advice for you. Anything else?
Yes. So, yeah. So, how do we stay consistent about our journey?
It again depends like how motivated you are. You have to be optimistic with your mindset. You should have your positive mindset. Okay, mindset like it's all about your attitude, how your attitude is. Attitude is divided into two
Yes.
parts, whether it's negative or it's positive. But you have to maintain your positive mindset, okay, which is required for your journey. If you have initiated any task, then definitely you have to complete it within a time frame. And that requires your consistency. And consistency will definitely come once you try to motivate yourself. So you have to be a self-motivator. Okay? Try to motivate
Yes.
yourself because you have just started your journey and there is long way to go. So definitely you have to run after the things. This is what you have.
Yes. So another question I have, how should we correct our mistake? Because whenever we are speaking, so that time I know everyone is making mistakes. So how should we work on that?
Definitely. Definitely. Kirti. Again, an intelligent question. Everybody makes mistakes, right? And to err is human.
Yes.
That is what which is one of the very old saying is to err is human, right? So we have to learn from our
Yes.
failures because failure is the first step to success. If you are making mistakes, it's not a matter. But matter is then once we are not learning, once we are not taking lessons from those mistakes, right? So we have to be self-aware about what exactly we are doing, what exactly the mistakes which we have made, and we are not going to repeat them. If we have that kind of tendency, then definitely we are going to make less mistakes in our future because we have to learn, we have to take the lessons from our mistakes, and definitely we have to improve.
Yes.
Okay, whenever we are making mistakes, definitely we are improving, and improvisation is something which again requires your efforts. How intelligent you are putting your efforts, even though you are making mistakes, but mistakes are for just certain period of time. Okay, but in your future, definitely you are going to refine yourself.
Yes.
You are going to polish yourself. So learn from your mistakes. Okay, and be consistent in your efforts.
Yes, sir. Yeah, definitely, sir. And yeah, I don't have any question
Thank
because
you.
I have, so I asked.
Thank you so much, Kirti, for your valuable time. And definitely, this video is going to help so many learners who will be watching this video. And thank you for sharing information. And we will connect once again for your channel. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Have a nice day. And thank you for giving me opportunity. Bye, sir.